Okay, when we choose to route pipe, we can pick an assignment for the pipe. We can pick the pipe number from the line number selector. So we can go up here. I'll help you find this. If you go into the Home tab and the Part Insertion panel, you'll see the line number selector right there. So if you want to drop down on there, you'll see that we have several existing lines. And then whenever we go to do that, we've selected the line. Now we can go ahead and we can route pipe with that line. So if we zoom in on this piece of pipe that we just did right there, you'll see that it puts it on a layer and it takes the spec and the size from the line number that we did. Now, you can also take a look at the properties that you have on here. Let's go ahead and do a right click and go to our properties. So right here, you can make some changes on here if you wish. So if you want to change the layer that's on, if you need to change the color, if you need to change the line number tag, you can do that. You can also make changes with the insulation thickness. Right now, it's taking it from the properties of the pipe, which is a different subject to get into later. But you can make many changes here from the properties panel. Now, another option that we have whenever we do this is that we can create a new line. So we can go to the same line number selector, and if we scroll all the way down, or up I should say, then we can choose route new line. And then when we route new line, we can give it a number. We can pick a size from the drop down. And we can also go and pick a different spec. So now that we have that, we can route another line. And when we hover over it, we'll see that it's created on its layer and the spec and the size follow.